Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Sunshine's Vlog Rock. Belated Merry Christmas to all of us. I hope your Christmas was a wonderful one. And here in Germany, it's a simple celebration of Christmas because of lockdown. And I was only with my family because I have also work. I work in the morning, and then in the evening we just a normal dinner. And then that's all. We talk and give our gift also. Guys, I want to share with you. I want to share my gift that I was received from my family, from my friends and my colleagues. Oh, this is it, guys. It's not a random one, but just remember is what's the first one. So the first one is it's a small thing, but it means so much because we have at all. So this is from my colleague. She's a pretty one, and when we came to the work, we just saw this. Everyone had kind of this so simple one, but that makes our hearts so happy. Yeah. So this is it, guys. So a chocolate from Melka. So and then what's inside is the nuts and the orange or mandarin. So even this one, guys, is small thing ones that makes me happy because they have they thought of what's a small present that they can give. Okay, I'm just happy because not only me, because all of us we receive from her, and actually we are thankful that she just remember us. A simple one. We call this one in German Kleinigkeit. So simple presents for Christmas, even though it's not okay. The next one, uh, wait, this is from my work. From our work, we don't have a Christmas party, so we have this one. I don't know what's inside. You know that, and a small um envelope. It's not. They said it's from our patient family, and they just divide from all of the worker. So guys, I'm going to open this one and show it to you. So this, guys, so Merry Christmas. That's what. Okay, so you know this, a big chocolate Mercy. Mercy means thank you. You know that in German is Dankeschön. So a big chocolate Mercy, guys. You can help me to eat this. So I try to put this one here, and another chocolate, guys, from Melka. Dankeschön it means thank you. I have so many chocolates received from work, from friends, and so. Okay, another colleague from me. Wait. So the small envelope one. So this say the Junlin Cooler. That's my name. So I want to open because I want to show with you. It's not a big deal, but a small one, but it means so much to us. So this one, guys. Ayan. It said, nakasulat dito, wir wünschen Ihnen eine freundliche, harmonische Weihnachtsfest sowie ein glückliches, gesundes und neues Jahr. Herzlichen Dank für die liebevoll und gute Betreuung from our hindi ko na siya babanggitin, guys, baka may malaman eh. So it is means that nag-wish siya na maganda sana ang Christmas namin, tsaka yung even though dahil sa mga nangyayari, uh, magstay daw na masaya, tsaka it demands the good health one for the 2000, the next 2000. So I received this one, guys, €5. €5, it's €5. So it's mean a lot. So And then our another patients gave me this one too. Actually, it's four, guys. We call this sec or wine. White wine, sec, yan. Hindi mo kuminom, so I can give this to my friend who can drink alcohol. Hindi ako umiinom. Or I just display, guys. Display ko muna. So, the another gift was from a colleague also. She's a Brazilian. This chocolates, this one. Chocolates, also Ferrero. And this, guys. This is inside also. So it's gift certificate stated for buy natin. Ibig sabihin Merry Christmas. And that is a gift certificate from DM and €10 worth of €10 gift certificate. So may gift certificate na ako, guys. Pwede ko na mabili kung ano gusto kong bilhin. And the next one is here. Wait, guys. It's also from work. It's also a chocolate. We have also small envelope. Hindi ko siya maano, guys. Yan. Oh my God. Dali lang. So, chocolate one, guys. So, this is from my work. Nakasulat talaga yung pangalan ng work namin. Hindi ko na sasabihin din sa inyo yung pangalan ng work, company namin. So, this, guys, buksan ko ito. Yan. So, yan ang nakalaman. So, a beautiful card from our work. Yan. Nakasulat po dito yung may-ari ng work. German, huwag ko nang basahin. So, ito guys, it is also a gift certificate. It means gift certificate talaga guys pag ganito. Yan. Nakasulat pa rin ang Gutschein. Gutschein card is gift certificate. It's from €30. Gutschein Müller. May Müller, guys. Yan, nakasulat, thank you daw sa aming mga service o pagtrabaho namin. And that's it, guys. Another is small one from my patient. What's one? With Haribo. Cute one. I have two. And this, guys. Chocolates. Again, chocolates. Lahat yan bigay po ng patient. Actually, mayroon pang di nagbibigay. So, siguro pahabol na yun sa next ko na video. Oh my God, nahulog. And the last one is, I want to show you this one. Hindi na siya nabalot. Nakalagay kasi siya sa karton. So, this is my gift I received first from my good friend. I don't know. So guys, you know this one? This is it, guys. I don't know if you know this. So, we called, you know this, guys. I will show you. That would be this one, guys. So, a hula hoop. Mag-hula hoop na ako, guys, para naman umalo ko. So, this beautiful gift, I think I can use this one if I have time. Or shall we say, I must give time to do this. But sometimes if you are tired with your work, you may just say you want to rest or take a nap. That's it, guys, from my gift from my friends in work. Actually, I have another one, but it's cash one. Hindi ko napakita sa inyo. Siguro pakita ko sa inyo sa susunod ko na video. So, it's worth €150 from my hubby. So, that's it, guys. Hoping that this gift is a small one, but it's meaning for me because someone think that even they are old one, guys, my patients, they could not buy and they don't have enough money because the children are the one who's budget or have the money, and they have only what they want. They requested or request something, chocolates or some another things, so they give that one. So we are so happy. And sometimes the other patient had also money, so they gave cash. But we actually we are not allowed to accept cash from the patient. If ever that they give that cash, we must give to our cashier. We have a cashier in the at work, so we can we can put it together. And just like Christmas normal, we go to a restaurant and have a dinner. But because of the pandemic, we could not do that. So maybe we just eat in at work, and then we just ordered like pizza or what. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoy my unboxing of my gifts. And actually, I want to share with you my gifts from my friends that I do that next time. So this is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And here is Sunshine's Blog Rock signing off now. See you in my next video. Nabubulo na ako. God bless us all. Stay safe. Bye. Mwah. Bye, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to your friends. Sunshine's Blog Rag is signing off now. Mwah.